Hello guys, namaste, Parev, Ndiyepi, Sanbonani, Piamor, Pinan. Anyway, this is what we have today. This is a breadboard. It's gonna be my first time using this, but I like the entire thing, I won't lie to you. So here, I was trying to design a voltage divider. So here, I connected 5 volts. This is coming from the 12 volts, but never mind that because this entire power supply does convert the 12 volts to 5 volts. So I'm converting the 5 volts to I don't know, let's calculate. Anyway, you know, laptops, they have voltage dividers. I was trying to design what a voltage divider. You can see 4 resistors here. I think this one here on the left hand side is 2.2 kilo ohms, and the other one is 1.5. Keep in mind, the one connected to this one here is connected to ground. So we have something like this. And then they are connecting right there. And the other one is connecting to ground, to negative. Okay. And then we want what? We want the output, what will be the voltage here. We'll do a calculation together. Let's see anyway. This is a source, Vs. This is R1 and this is R2. Let's see on our circuit which one is connected to positive. See the red goes straight to this one. This one is 2.2 kilo ohms. This is 2.2. Okay, and then this one is 1.5. Okay, so what will be the output? Keep in mind the voltage source is 5 volts. So let's see. According to a formula, it says V out equal to Vs times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So let's continue. Voltage source of which is Vs gonna be 5 volts times R2 R2 is gonna be 1.5. Okay, we can just say we can write this in full. Divide by R1 2200 plus 1.5 5 volts times this. This is gonna be 1.5 divided by this is gonna be 3.7. .7 5 volts times, let's do a calculation, 1.5 divided by 3.7. The answer is 0.405. All right, so When you say 5 times 0.405, the answer is 2 volts. Okay, let's see. In real life, let's test this in real life. First, you have to wear this. Okay, go ahead, wear this. In case there's a spike or something that I'm not aware as well, please go ahead to wear this, guys. And what do you need? You need your multimeter. And that's the power supply 6 watts. Oh, wait. Let's put some probe, the output probes. Okay, we have to put some output probes. We need some output probes. I need short wires. So this is gonna be my output right here. So here I will have what? 2 volts. 512 volts, and the power supply converted into what? Into 5 volts. 5 volts goes straight into this resistor, of which is 2.2. As you can see, 2.2. After this, we have this wire here. This is the one of which you don't know. And then this 1.5 is connected to a ground, and there it's ground, the black thing going to ground. Let's see anyway. Wear your goggles in case you burn yourself. Be careful, guys. Protect your eyes. You'll never know, because I'm also doing something that I don't know, but I'm just using a mathematic. So let's go ahead. Let's see. We have to check the output. Let me check another one and connect ground here. Okay, this is my ground. Let's connect power. Careful there. Let's try to be careful. Okay, no power. Okay, we have to check. Let me check one more time. Okay, there we go. We have power. Now let's check the output. Guys, I'm so afraid I won't lie to you. Two volts. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, 2 volts. Calculation doesn't lie, eh? Because it says 2.02 actual, and according to calculator, it's still the same. It's 2.02. Let me show you even the calculator. Hi boo, guys. Can't believe this. When you say 5 times 0.40 is equal to 2. Wait. 5 times 0.405. The answer is 2.2. And the output here, 2.2. Let me show you. 2.02. 2.02. Guys, this is lovely. This is lovely. This is lovely. You I can't believe this. Okay, let's check a schematic. Let's check a schematic. I really love this. Let's check a schematic. Okay. Let me go to any hard drive. PDF. L. I just want to show you what is a voltage divider and show you that these things don't lie. This is a schematic. They use voltage dividers a lot. Okay. And this thing is so accurate. I was so surprised, guys. I won't lie to you. I was so surprised. You see any voltage divider? Oh, yes, I do. Okay, there we go. We have a voltage divider right here. Okay. 2 resistors, 10 kilo ohms, just 3.3, and then we have 2 kilo ohms and 10 kilo ohms. You can do calculation because I've told you the calculation and tell me what will be the output voltage going straight into strip sets. You should know how many volts that will go right here and there. In case if you get a wrong voltage, you know that one of your resistors here is fault. Anyway, this is it. I'm so interested, guys. This is so nice. I'm gonna see you. Bye bye.